So this is ONNXplorer, a VR app written in Unity to explore, um, visualize machine learning models stored in the ONNX open source file format, which is designed to store machine learning models. So we have here, I think this is called the mobile net model. We have layer, and so forth. Some of them are different sizes, as you can see. Some of these show connections between them. In theory, they all have connections between them, but we were having trouble with some of the connection formats. So at the moment, you only see some of them, but that does let you see kind of the inside of these things. It's when there are this many connections, it gets pretty tough to see what's going on. That's one of the things it's on the to-do list, to deal with how to make sense of all this jumble when there's just so much. So down at the far end, as you can see that the model changes as it goes along. While each of these are layers, you can see that they're of strange sizes. That is, we've projected that layer's element tensor into three-dimensional space. And so the projection can make it go in strange angles. Because we only have three dimensions to work with. Down here, I think this is the mobile net's an image classifier, so I think this one is probably the output layer. Because it's a tensor of it's one in every direction except for one direction, in which it is really long. Now, I'm going to stop this for the moment, and I am going to go over here, and I just realized that, no, anyway, going to basically turn off the, whatever you call it. Oh, no, I'm turning off the connections, basically. Right, so let's see, back to Unity. It'll compile for a minute. Let's see here, hit go. And what I realized is that I think I probably moved the VR view out of your line of sight when I went back to Unity when I started this up. So you may not have had the best view of that the first time around, but this should be better. So again, we have layer, and there's no connections displayed this time around. Again, you can see the image that we had put through this this model is a cat. So yeah. Thanks for listening, I guess.